What's going on, y'all? So today we are doing our rear seat delete in the Jeep. We've already taken rear seats out, and it all was like 6 different bolts. We can go over whatever those are. I'll put them in the description. Right now we're just measuring out for the platform. Just a little disclaimer, we are not carpenters by any means. So this is going to be a rough go of this, and we're just going to make it work. Right now I just have the measurements from the inside written out and where to go from. I will clean this up and post a better picture for all the measurements if you plan on doing this yourselves. All we're doing is taking a quarter inch piece of sanded plywood, and we're going to put it in here. Then I'm going to slap carpet on it. So as we'll go, we'll show you what we're measuring and where we're going with it. What we're going to do is we're going to put cardboard. We're going to measure out cardboard first, just so we don't go in there and cut the plywood and also be off, because plywood is expensive nowadays. Together 2 pieces of cardboard. We just taped it down, and we're doing all the measurements I took from inside the Jeep, putting them on here. Disclaimer, we are not carpenters by any means, so that's why we're going to use a piece of cardboard first before we slap in that piece of plywood. The sanded plywood is underneath here. You can just see the edge of it, of course. And we're going to go ahead and cut that after we get the cardboard done.
How do you feel about that cut, Dan?
We'll find out soon. It's a good thing cardboard's easy to find.
Bull crap. This is high quality cardboard.
It is actually thicker than it needs to be. Alright, we just measured out the back pockets towards the rear of the vehicle. So we cut them out. We're leaving these ones in. These are where the seats were tied into the vehicle. You can see the measurements here, ignore that. That's for just the total length. And then we just measure here. We have to cut this one out, leave, and leave. So we'll see how they match up here in just a second. All right, that's that. We're gonna try putting it in there and see how she fits.
Be gentle with her.
It's the mock run. Wish I had 3 people here, one to film and one to help me.
Not bad.
Yeah. This is sit level. I take out this corner a tiny bit, and then take out the edge right here a tiny bit. But other than that, she is pretty darn close.
All we really need to do is build a bottom frame out.
Yeah.
For just the middle.
Yeah, we'll do the edges. We'll make a piece of wood that sits on the edges, and then one in the middle.
Yeah.
So that'd be perfect.
Not bad. Not bad.
Got pretty lucky, I think.
Yeah.
So we got a little trimming to do, but other than that, not too bad. And then just this corner up here.
Yeah.
So take a little bit out of there, and then
maybe a tiny smidge out of there.
Right here, maybe this edge right here rubs. We'll hit this one.
We can always sand the wood down too.
Yeah. I don't know where the knife went. Oh, it's inside still.
So, all right. Touch this up.
So we'll let you know here in a minute. So we have the template of the cardboard that we fit the measurement with. So what we're going to do now is trace it out. We have it clamped to the table, so hopefully this cardboard doesn't move. But we just traced out the outline of the cardboard. I don't know if you can see it or not from the camera, but real quick. So we'll go ahead and get the nerves out of the way and go ahead and cut it. So, yeah, we'll see how it works. So definitely a little nervous, but I think we'll be all right.
Start cutting.
Yeah. Not OSHA approved safety glasses, but they work for now. I'm gonna try to see how this fits.
Look at that big, strong man.
Yeah, I wish I had 3 people here, like I think I said before. Move the seats up in the Jeep just so we don't have to fight them. All right.
Ooh, I took my hoodie off. I regret it.
Don't you? Oh yeah, should have blew this off first.
It's got a face of dust. We definitely should have brushed it. Right, hold on, I gotta set y'all down for a second.
Probably GoPro head mounts would be great right now.
Yeah. Too bad we don't own any.
Mm.
Oh wait, we do.
We own quite a few, which is the worst part. Okay. How you look over there?
I'm good.
I think I've got a corner over here. It needs a little bit of alternate. Right about there. That's pretty good. Yeah, I literally have a tiny bit of a corner.
Yeah, same here. You got a pencil? Oh, it's on the tote. It's on my hunting tote.
Oh, imagine that you moved again.
I will cut this in half. What?
Oh, sorry. Just kidding. Right there. A few modifications here and there. Just like right there. I know y'all can't see it very well probably, but it just rides against that plastic part a tiny bit. So James has it over there.
That doesn't even make any sense why it's doing that.
In the front we have a couple goofy cuts just because of the way the plastic and the seat wrestle against it. That's why those are there. Like we said, we're not professionals by any means. So this is just, you know, rough cut, rough edit. I have a piece of block of wood down there. Sorry, I just sneezed.
It looks like that.
Yeah, it's just pieces, scrap pieces of this, and we have a level over there. We're leveling it out. What I'm ending up doing is bolting down this using the factory bolts and tie this back down after I attach these. Sorry, dogs running around. Attach these and drill them into the actual floor. We're going to end up putting carpet on this, so this will all be hidden. Oh, this is attached.
Yeah. He's attached to the Jeep.
Mail's here. Alright. That's nice and secure. Put a good bit of weight on there. We're going to end up doing a third just in the center here. I'm going to end up cutting axis in here. I left some axis on the outside so I can move my arrows in here. And so this bottom part isn't completely wasted. And I'm going to cut hatches in here. My fridge is going to sit here, so that's how to actually have the hatch in it. So, and it'll be easy access for my fridge. Swing up the VL60. Well, we've gotten to the part where we ran to Lowe's and just picked up some carpet. It doesn't match, but it's on sale and it's cheap, and it just sits in the back of my Jeep, so I'm not really concerned about how it looks, I guess. I know it's easy to clean material, so that's what we're going to run with. We have it on top of the wood piece. So right now there's a few funny edges in here. Would fight me. That we have to get down, and I cut this a little short on the outside so we have room for the carpet going around. I'm going to wrap it around and then tag it to the bottom. I'm not using staples or anything woodworking. We just have some spare screws laying around the house, so this is all kind of a DIY project. We'll do a cost analysis at the very end compared to like Goose Gear's one, and we'll go from there. Yep, so I'm going to cut it out, get it tied down, and we'll get back with you in a minute. So James and I just tacked the carpet down, so it looks a little iffy, but like I said, we're not professionals. So.
That is professional work.
But I think it turned out actually pretty well. So we'll see how it fits here in just a second. All right, we just put the platform in, all carpeted and ready to go. So it fit much better than we thought it would. So, which is super surprising. This project in total took us about 5-6 hours.
Yeah, about.
Yeah, I'd say just running to Home Depot and everything like that and getting all the materials. And
Lowe's.
Oh yeah, we did go to Lowe's, didn't we? Anyways, we're both 6'2", and these are normal seated positions. So as you can see, both seats fit perfectly. And then we can go all the way back with them, all the way forward. My fridge will sit in there. We'll post a picture of the fridge and what it looks like in the end, and then the schematics of what our measurements are. I'm not saying this is how you do it, but there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat. So, but this actually turned out really well. I'm actually pretty proud of it. So, good job, James. So, but all right, guys. Well, like and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate everything.
Yeah.